All English Podcast.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam, and today we're going deep, very deep, into how to make your English listening powerful, sharp, unstoppable. By the end of this episode, you'll hold a roadmap full of strategies from real research and proven practice, so you'll know exactly what to do next. Ready? Let's go! Why listening is more than just hearing. When we talk about listening in English, many people think, oh, I'll just listen more. But the truth is, effective listening is active. It's not just letting the sounds fall on your ears. It's selecting, predicting, filling in gaps. Your brain is working, always. See, research in language education shows that listening supports all your other skills, speaking, reading, writing, because when your ear gets strong, the rest follows. Think of it like building a house. Listening is the foundation. If your foundation is cracked, the walls won't hold. Also, in the classroom and many online courses, listening is often under-practiced. They might give audio, but not the right tasks around it. That's a missed opportunity. In cognitive theory, we talk about two routes, bottom up and top down. Bottom up is when you decode each sound, each word. Top down is when your mind uses context, prior knowledge, predictions to catch fast speech. The strongest listeners use both routes in balance. And newer studies suggest that learners who use a blended listening method, chunked audio, scaffolded context, gradually rising difficulty, manage cognitive load better and retain more. So what stands in your way? Let's examine. The common barriers you must overcome. First is speed, accents, and reductions. Native speakers often blur sounds, link words, drop syllables. That's hard. Second is anxiety or lack of concentration. If your mind wanders or you're tense, the audio is just noise. Third, over-reliance on transcripts or subtitles. If you always see the transcript first, your ear doesn't train to figure out unknown parts. Fourth, listening in a narrow bubble, always the same speaker, the same accent. That limits flexibility. Fifth, isolating listening from speaking, vocabulary, and context. Listening in a vacuum doesn't deliver full growth. When you know these are obstacles, you can tackle them. Here are 7 strategies you can begin immediately, as soon as you hit record on your learning session. 1. Extensive listening. Listen a lot, low pressure. Podcasts, songs, radio, casually. Let your ear swim in the language. Even 30 minutes a day makes a difference. 2. Chunking and segment practice. Take a longer audio, break it into short, meaningful pieces 30 to 60 seconds. Listen to one chunk repeatedly until you understand, then move on. 3. Prediction pre-listening brain warm-up. Before listening, read title, look at images, think of possible words or topics. Your brain primes itself. That makes comprehension easier. 4. Shadowing and delayed shadowing. Shadowing, mimic the speaker in real time, rhythm, intonation. Delayed shadowing, listen, pause, then repeat. These techniques bridge comprehension and production. 5. Note-taking listening journal. While listening, jot down keywords, phrases, thoughts. Later, expand them. Turn them into short summaries. 6. Smart use of transcripts. Use them selectively. First listen without, then with, then without again. You'll catch gaps, self-correct, internalize more. 7. Vary your input and gradually raise difficulty. Switch between accents, speeds, speaker styles. Start with easier, learner-friendly audios, then gradually use authentic materials. Also, practice active listening, summarizing, paraphrasing, asking your own questions. Here's a ready-to-go routine you can use almost every day. Warm-up prediction 2 minutes. Look at title, images, preview questions. Predict vocabulary or topic. First listening full 5 minutes. Listen from start to finish. Don't pause, just get the big idea. Second listening segment mode 5 minutes. Break into short parts 30 to 60 seconds. Listen to each, pause, try to catch more. Third stage, listening with transcript optional, 5 minutes. Listen with transcript. Compare what you heard versus what's written, note mismatch. Fourth, shadowing speaking aloud and summary, 5 minutes. Repeat parts of audio out loud. Then, summarizing, say in your own words what you heard. Reflection and journal, 3 minutes. Write 1 or 2 sentences. What was easy? What was hard? New words? What you'll do next session? Do this 4 to 6 times a week. Repeat it. Improve. To boost your improvement, tie listening into everything. When you meet new words, store them in a listening vocabulary bank. Try to use them later in speaking or writing. After listening, always try to retell or paraphrase what you heard. Use tools or apps that let you slow audio down, loop segments, view timestamps. Start with learner-level podcasts, then slowly shift to native-level ones. Engage in interactive listening, Q&A, discussion, group listening. Don't just passively absorb. Surround yourself with real English, songs, shows, games. Exposure outside study time is powerful. Let me share common traps and how to avoid them. Treating listening as passive, expecting your brain to absorb magically. Always using transcripts or subtitles from the start. Staying in comfort zone, never challenging yourself. Not reflecting or journaling. Listening at random speed or without focus. Neglecting pronunciation or phonetic awareness. Always listening to the same voice or accent. When you stay aware of these, you can correct course quickly. Let's do a quick exercise together. I'll describe a short audio snippet. You can pick any clip. 1. Listen once, get the gist. 2. Then, listen again in short parts. Write key words. 3. Try to shadow part of it. 4. Finally, retell what you understood in 1 or 2 sentences in your own voice. This is the kind of workout you'll repeat daily. We've covered so much. Listening is active, not passive. Barriers you must overcome. 7 proven strategies. A daily workout you can use. Integration with other skills. Common mistakes and how to dodge them. If you commit even just 20 to 30 minutes daily with intention, you'll see real improvement in weeks, not years. If you found this episode helpful, subscribe, like, share, help others boost their listening too. Listen with intention, repeat with purpose, and let your ear grow stronger every day. You've got this. See you in the next episode.